What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Tonor USB microphone kit. So a big shout out to Tonor for sending this over for a review. Now you can pick this up on Amazon.com. The price is going to be $45.99. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to go over and pick this up. So this will be perfect for gaming, streaming, singing, voiceover, YouTube, things like that. This is the TC30 Plus model. Now there's a TC30 as well. Now this is going to come with your adjustable arm stand as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features and details of this. So this is going to be plug and play. You don't need any additional drivers. It's not compatible with Xbox, as you guys see. It's going to be compatible with PS4, PS5, desktop, laptop, Windows, and Mac OS. You see it comes with a 6.56 feet, 6.5 feet long cable as well. It's going to be USB-A to USB-C. It has an upgraded boom arm, excellent stability, supports a thickness up to 6 centimeters. So that's going to be mounted right to your desk. You're going to have the cardioid pickup pattern. Capture clear and crisp sound, suppress unwanted background noise. Excellent shock resistant, effectively reduce noise caused by shocks. And then it tells you how to correctly install the microphone. Well, like I said, the link will be in the description down below, and you guys can go over and pick this up. So here's the box that it comes in. Right off the rip, you're going to get a 2-year warranty here. You got Tonor, and then it tells you the model number, TC30 Plus USB microphone kit. And then on the back of it, it's going to give you some of those specifications there, such as the input sample rate, which is 48 kilohertz. You get a bit rate of 16-bit, and then your frequency range and all of that stuff right there that a lot of you guys like to know. So I'm going to go ahead and get this box open up and get everything out, and then I'll come right back. But this is what it looks like off the rip. All right, guys, so I have everything out of the box. You're going to get your instructions manual here that's going to tell you everything you need to know. It's going to give you all your specifications that you need. And it's also going to tell you how to hook this up if you're going to use it with your Windows, your Mac. It's going to give you all the instructions on how to do that. You're also going to get your Type-C to USB-A cable, which is a pretty long, very long, 6 feet, 6.5 feet. You get your base to mount this to your table, desk, or wherever you want to mount that. You're going to get your boom arm right here, which is nice that it includes that. And of course, you're going to get your mic and pop filter here. Now the pop filter, you don't have to leave it on. Here's the pop filter. See Tonor there. So this is all metal as well. So they include that. And then you have your shock mount and your mic. So here's the shock mount. As you see, it has these little rubber bands in there to hold it in. This part will actually screw to your boom arm just like this. And then let's take a look at the mic. So this is plastic mic, but it feels pretty, it has a little heft to it. Looks nice, and that's where you're going to plug in right there. You got Tonor on there, and this goes right back in just like this. This one holds it in place, and this is going to be for your shock. And then if you want to put your pop filter back on, it just slides right back in just like that. Ready to go. So let's go ahead and take it over to the desk and try this thing out. Okay, guys, so I have the Tonor microphone and boom arm connected to my desk. Very solid. It's not going to fall off. The boom arm is very easy to use, as you guys see. Feels very well connected to the desk. Very easy to move. I have the cable temporarily ran over to my Mac Mini over here. Do have another mic over here that I'm using. So that's why I got it on the opposite side. But just for demonstration purposes, it's going to be over here, just like this. So I have it plugged into my Mac Mini. We're going to go ahead and try it out. see how it sounds, and then we'll finish the video. Okay guys, so I have my Canon M50 hooked up. This is the onboard mic coming from the Canon M50. Next, I'm going to go ahead and start recording with the Tonor, and we can see the difference in there. Should be a whole lot better with the Tonor hooked up than the onboard mic. So let's swap over to the Tonor. Okay guys, so now I'm using the Tonor microphone, condenser microphone, and this is the quality that you're going to get from it. Now I have it plugged into my Mac Mini. I'm using the voice memo app on the Mac Mini, so you get a chance to see just how this sounds. So I guess I'm about a foot away from the microphone. I'm not going to enhance it or anything in post. I'm just going to shoot this and just out of the box let you guys see how this sounds. Now I do have the pop filter in place. Get about 2 inches, 3 inches away from the mic, let you guys see how it sounds. And I'm going to back up a little bit, maybe 1.5 feet, 2 feet away from the mic. Let you guys see how this sounds as well. But this is the quality, audio quality that you're going to get from this mic. And of course, you can always enhance the audio in post if you like. Now be mindful, there is no gain knob or 3.5 millimeter jack where you can monitor your audio output. So let's go ahead and finish the video. Okay guys, so this has been my look at the Tonor USB Condenser Cardioid microphone. This is the model TC30 Plus. It's going to come with everything that you need. You're going to get a nice strong base here to mount it to your surface, wherever you're going to mount it. Get a very long cord so you can run it a long ways. You're going to get your boom arm. Now, of course, you're going to get the mic. And in my opinion, it sounds pretty good. I listened to it since I did the first part of the video. And you have to remember, in my room, it's not soundproof. I don't have all of the stuff on the walls to help with the sound in here. So in my opinion, it sounds great. The mic feels pretty solid in the hand. You come with your pop filter. This would be great for someone that's on a budget or someone that's don't want to spend a lot of money on a microphone kit. This comes with everything that you need. Good for your live stream, podcasting, YouTube, wherever you may want to need it. Use it, and great value in my opinion. So the link will be in the description. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H, I'm out.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.